Building a course business on WordPress used to require a pile of plugins, endless add-ons, and a website that gets slower with every install. But that entire setup is outdated now. In this video, I'll show you how to build a modern course business on WordPress using just two free tools, FluentCommunity and FluentCart. You'll create the course, lock premium access, build a student community, and accept payments without LearnDash, without WooCommerce, and without paying monthly SaaS fees. By the end, you'll have a clean course business setup you can launch, test, and grow. Let's build it. I've already installed FluentCommunity and FluentCart in my WordPress site to speed up the process. But if you're starting from zero, check the installation tutorials in the description. They'll walk you through everything step by step. Now, let's jump into FluentCommunity. This is where FluentCommunity feels very different from traditional LMS plugins because it's not built just for lessons, it's built for engagement. I've already prepared a basic structure here so you can understand how it actually looks. But right now, let's build a course. Since the course module is active, you can see a Courses tab right up here in the top bar. Click on New Course, and instantly the full setup page opens. Add your course title, set a slug, and write a benefit-driven description. In the course details, you can also add extra notes or instructions to help learners understand the course better. Next, assign it to your menu group. And for now, just keep it as a draft. As we want to sell the course, we'll set the privacy to private. You can customize the lock screen using a custom option if you want, but I'll stick with the default. And make sure the paywall is enabled. Without this, students won't see the purchase option for this course. The enrollment type decides how learners access and consume your course materials. I'll go with self-paced. This unlocks everything immediately. Students can binge the whole course if they want. But if you choose structured or scheduled, you're basically releasing lessons step by step, either based on when they enrolled or on a fixed timeline you control. Then, enable the comments so learners can interact, and hide the student count to keep things clean. Let's quickly upload a thumbnail to give the course a more professional feel. One more click, and you come to the part that structures your course content. You can easily add sections, arrange everything, and structure your lessons however you want. Hit Add New, and you'll get options to create a lesson. Give a title to your lesson, and get going. Inside each lesson, you've got full Gutenberg block editing, text, images, videos, whatever you need. On the right side of the screen, there are some interesting features. You can enable video embed, comments, and preview options so public users can view this lesson without enrolling in the course. And if you want to embed media, that's also at your fingertips. The option to add lesson duration can be really handy in some instances. Together, these options help you create a cleaner, more interactive lesson experience. Let me do that really quick. And if this breakdown is helpful so far, make sure you're subscribed to WPManageNinja for more tutorials like this. Alright, the course is ready, lesson, structure, everything is in place. Now, let's publish the course and save the changes. The course is live. Now, let's get paid for it. This is where you connect your course to a product in FluentCart. If you click Add Paywall, you can instantly connect any product you already created in your store and start selling this course right away. Now, if you don't have a product yet, just hit New. Give it a title, set your price, and that's it. Your product is ready. Click Create, and your paywall is live. At this point, you could literally share that checkout link right now and start collecting payments. But let me show you a few more things worth your time. Click the three dots next to the product and hit Edit. This takes you directly into FluentCart's product editor where you can fully customize everything. Use the short description to make the offer clear, and the long description to explain why the course is worth buying. Now, if you're selling memberships or different access levels, you can switch to variable pricing and create multiple tiers. There is also an option to sell the course as a subscription. For now, I'll keep it simple and just add a compare at price. You can also set cost per item to track profit more clearly. After that, we're going to skip the SKU, shipping, and inventory tabs. This is a digital product, so we don't need to worry about any of that. And if you're selling digital content, you can even attach a downloadable file right here. Now, I'll just add a featured image so the course looks polished and update the changes. Now, look at the top of the page, the integration section. You can already see that a product-specific automation feed has been created. If you click the pencil icon, you can fully customize what happens after purchase. For example, when someone buys this course, you can automatically grant access to a specific community space or discussion area. You can also remove access, switch spaces, or even map different course variations to different communities. And just like that, your course, your paywall, and your payment system are fully wired together. Now, let's see what your student actually experiences. So here's what happens inside the community. The moment someone tries to enroll, they'll hit a paywall. They click Join Now, land on Checkout, enter their details, and place the order. Once the payment is done, they instantly get a confirmation page with a button that takes them straight back to the course. They click it, and course access is unlocked. Now, switching over to FluentCart side, from the store side, nothing complicated, just a standard checkout flow. The learner enters their details, completes checkout, and returns to the course. And the course is already available to them. That's the whole system working automatically. So there you have it. A complete course setup inside FluentCommunity, a FluentCart checkout that can accept payments, automatic access after purchase, and a private student community that keeps them engaged and coming back. No LearnDash, no WooCommerce, no monthly SaaS platform. Just a clean WordPress course business setup you own, completely free. Links to FluentCommunity and FluentCart are in the description. Start building your dream business today. If this walkthrough helped you, like the video, subscribe to WPManageNinja, and tell me in the comments, what kind of course business are you planning to build? We might build that exact use case in a future video. Alright, see you in the next one.